with a Chinese menu in his hand, walking through the streets of Soho in the rain. He was looking for the place called Lee Ho Fook's, gonna get a big dish of beef chow mein. Ahoo, werewolves of London. Ahoo, ahoo, werewolves of London. Ahoo. You hear him howling around your kitchen door. You better not let him in. Little old lady got mutilated late last night. Werewolves of London again. Ahoo, werewolves of London. Ahoo, ahoo, werewolves of London. Ahoo. The hairy-handed gent who ran amok in Kent. Lately he's been overheard in Mayfair. You better stay away from him. He'll rip your lungs out, Jim. I'd like to meet his tailor. Ahoo, werewolves of London. Ahoo. Well, I saw Lon Chaney walking with the Queen, doing the werewolves of London. I saw Lon Chaney Jr. walking with the Queen, doing the werewolves of London. I saw a werewolf drinking a pina colada at Trader Vic's. His hair was perfect.
Hey, well that actually flew pretty smooth back to me there with only with one prop missing. I'm surprised. Oh, well, I don't know if we got any footage. Oh yeah, it's still recording. Right on. Anyway, it wasn't my best flight today. It's super windy and I had to go to work. I'm not really feeling it. So anyway, that was it, guys. We're just testing out this camera and having a fun morning flying around. And now I'm off to work. So have a good one. Take care.